It's the FreeTress Equal Lace Front, Lace Deep Invisible Part Wig. And it is called Kitron or Kitron. But I like saying Kitron because it sounds like you saying Patron. And I like that drink. So, this is the card. Once again, this is Kitron. And I got it in the color OP27. I saw Shantania Beckford and her beautiful chocolate behind do a review and a tutorial on how she installed this hair, and I was like, oh no, I gotta try it on out. So everything is nice and flat and compact. The next thing you're gonna do is take whatever concealer or foundation that you use for your skin, and you're gonna put it on the area on your wig cap where your part would be. Maybelline. And I have it in the color 360. You could put a generous amount, whatever amount you think you might use. But you're going to keep that right there. Secondly, what you're going to do is get either some Got2b Glued or Gorilla Snot or whatever type of adhesive you use to keep your wigs down. I ran out of my Got2b Glue gel. So what I'm going to do is use my Gorilla Snot. I got the purple one. Some people use a comb, some people use like a brush or something like that, or maybe what you call it, a toothbrush. But so we could get this thing going, because I don't want my wig going nowhere. Now the wig does come with 2 combs in the front. It'll come, the combs will be right here, and a comb in the back, and it comes with adjustable straps. So either way, if you don't like this step with the adhesive, I mean, I'm saying adhesive is because it works like adhesive, but it's honestly just gel. Let's blow dry this bad boy. I'm gonna fast forward through this part. Alright, so now I'm gonna use just a little bit of freezing spray, because that always works really well too. And we're gonna blow dry it one more time. Excuse me. So being that this has baby hairs in it already, it's not that much you have to do for the baby hairs, but you still wanna, you see how that just melts in there like that? Like, come on, y'all. So when I manipulated the part, I did it so that it can match my skin color. Alright, so in this clip, I'm going to show you how I customized my part. This wig came with its own baby hairs, so I don't have to make my own baby hairs. But the part came kind of closed, so I'm going to show you how I open the part. I usually take a T-pin that I already have inside my mannequin head. I like a T-pin because the pointiness is so precise. So you just go to an area where you want to take out or separate the hair from the actual part. So I see a piece right there, a strand of hair that I want to take out, and I separate it from the part. As you can see, I'm separating strands of hair. You grab it and separate it from the rest of the wig. Like that. So now I got a few strands of hair that's just separated from the wig, right? I'll take a few strands at a time, because sometimes you can over pluck and then you just got a big old bald spot and it don't look cute. So taking a few strands of hair at a time, you can always manage how much hair you're taking out. You don't want to do too much. And it makes your part look so much more natural when you put it on your head. I'm going to pin this hair back so it can be out of our way and not extra hot, because now I'm getting hot. And we're going to find these baby hairs that it came with and pull them girls right on out. It already has gel on it. So that's the baby hairs. I'm going to lay it down and swerve it wherever I want it to go. Now these baby hairs are a little bit too long for me. So yeah, I'm about to definitely cut this because this is not even cute. This is looking like I'm trying to... I'm going to cut these baby hairs just a little bit because that was just too much going on. I don't know what they thought with that. But some people do walk around with their baby hairs extra long like that. Nothing wrong with it, but for me it is something wrong because I don't want my baby hairs like that. So you're going to swerve it around. Do what you got to do to make sure they're just like how you want it. Find some on the... Here we go. Baby hairs on the right, or on the left, whatever side this is. Everything is in reverse, so I don't even know what side I'm looking at. We're just gonna maneuver these baby hairs so that when the wind blow, you don't just see wig, okay? Because we don't want to be walking out here looking like a wig head. So right here is not that many baby hairs. I'm just gonna pull some hairs out, and I'm going to cut it. And we're going to create our own baby hairs because we need baby hairs out here. Baby hairs is life. Not an excessive amount, but baby hairs is life, especially for these synthetic wigs. So you pull these baby hairs out, finesse that bad boy the way you like. Everybody finesse their own baby hairs the way they like. I like mine's looking as natural as possible. Sometimes on the first go around you can't get it that natural as possible, but you keep playing with it, you're gonna get it exactly the way you like, and then you're gonna be happy about it, you know? Okay. Come on now, hairs. Y'all doing whatever y'all want to do. Do what I'm telling you to do. Come on. Let me try to get to this side now. Doing this on camera is not as easy as I thought it would be. And I'm looking in my mirror. I'm going to do however I want to do it. Move at my own speed. But when you're recording, and you only got a certain amount of space on your phone, so you got to kind of hurry up. There we go. So what I'm going to do is get a scarf, put it on my head for about 5-10 minutes, just so the baby hairs can sit in place the way they are. And I'll be right back. So once you take that off, your scarf off, laid, slayed, don't even play. Ooh, honey, who is this girl? How y'all doing? It's big, baby. If you like big hair, this is gonna be perfect for you. How long it is, it doesn't say the inches, but look at how cute this hair is. Like, you better slay in the summertime. You better slay in the summertime. Better come on out with your Beyonce looking hair. Here it is, all to the back. It's really big hair. So if you like big hair, this is perfect for you, honey. I think I am going to cut some layers into it. I don't know, because I love big hair, but I'm getting really, really hot right now, and I don't know if I could even survive outside like this. Whew, it's just too hot. I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. It cost $28, honey. $28? Come on. I ordered it, I think on a Monday or Tuesday, and I got it 3 days later. So the shipping is not, it does not take that long at all. I couldn't wait to slap this girl right up on my head. This is how it looks with it all coming up to the front. Like, you better get it. You better get it with this big old hair. So, you know how to slay them baby hairs, customize that parting. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, please, just ask questions. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.